Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Aqua Wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Aqua Wallet to begin your search. Once you find the Aqua Wallet application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Aqua Wallet app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the app. Now once the application is opened up, make sure to agree with the terms and conditions, and then you can start to create your new wallet or log into your existing one right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Aqua Wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.